Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial we will talk about how to create animation in Enscape 3.2. So let's start. So first you will have to just open it and you will have to wait a couple of minutes. If your SketchUp file is heavy, then it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes, and depends on your computer capability. Now it's open, guys, and now we are going to click over here. So this is the visual setting. So first you will have to click over here, and this is the camera setting, and you will have to click on output. Okay, and here you can see this is the video option. You can select quality from email to maximum, but if your computer is not powerful, then you will have to just select this Blu-ray options and frame per second 25. Okay, so if you have a 16 GB RAM and a 4 GB graphic card, then you can select this option maximum. Okay, so now I am selecting here Blu-ray. Okay, to just show how the set. Okay, so just click here now, and you will have to just click over here video editor. Okay, now you will have to click over here to add a first camera frame. So suppose if you want to take a shot of this camera with this view, then you will have to just click over here. Okay, now slightly move this camera. Okay, and click again over here to add a camera. Now we will rotate this folding little bit. Okay, then again you will have to click over here. Okay, now just move the camera like that, and again rotate this from this side. Okay, and again click over here. Now I am going to again move this and going to zoom little bit. Click again at the bottom side. Click. Now zoom in, zoom out. Okay, then again click. So here I have created a first frame, second frame, third frame, fourth frame, fifth frame, sixth frame, and seventh frame. Total 7 frames that I have created here. So now you will have to just click over here. This is your first one. If you want to change the time of day, then you will have to just click over here. Okay, now click here and change the time that you want to. So I'm going to set morning sun here. Okay, at 8:30 AM. Okay, now click over here to change the time. Now I am going to slide little bit at 12:30. Okay, add this frame, same, and this again click here to set your time. 3:30, and again I'm going to select this frame, click here and choose the timing. Okay, click here, and click here. Okay, so you can select individual time of day of every cameras. You have to only click over here after selecting this camera. Okay, select the camera, change timeline, select camera, change timeline, and you can also change the field of view if you want. Okay, and this is the focal point. This is up to you. Okay, I am just telling you the settings. Okay, so now just you will have to click over here to see the render preview. Okay, fine. Now this is perfect. Okay, so now I have completed the total animation process. Now there is another option, that is ease in and ease out. Okay, this option will help you to move your camera frame by frame easily. Don't any shaky movement will be on that scene. Okay, so you will have to select ease in and out. Okay, now there is another options, total duration. You can increase the time of this animation by setting the time. Okay, so previous one was 24, now I am going to set this at 40 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to play this preview. If your timeline will be longer, your video, your animation will be longer and slow. Okay, so this is very slow video preview. You can select according to your requirement. So I hope guys you will understand this, and it will help you to create your animation videos in Enscape 3.2. Okay, now last option that you have to do, that you will have to click on export button and select your resolution from here. I am going to select HD quality and compression Blu-ray. Okay, and frame per second 30, and then you will have to click over here. If you will select maximum, it will take more time to render. Okay, now I'm going to select this HD options only and click on export, and this will show you the location where you want to save your this animation videos. Okay, so this is for a preview, and you will have to just save. Now it will take a couple of minutes according to your setting, and so guys, thanks for watching, and if you really like my video, please share, subscribe and like, and comment if you have any questions regarding this video. Okay, thanks for watching, have fun.